Hi Gomates! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another room tour. Hindi room raid because kakadating lang namin. So, pretty much room tour talaga. So, nandito na kami sa Sapa, as I've mentioned yesterday. Pupunta kami dito second day and until Wednesday kami here and then we'll go back to Hanoi. We are at Phong Nam Hotel dito sa Sapa. So, yeah. This is a room tour video para at least if you're eyeing for this hotel, alam nyo na yung expect or ano yung itsura ng hotel inside, or yung room rather. So, yeah. But before I start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para makita-kita ulit tayo sa next vlog ko. Lumabas ako, Glummates. Look! Ang nice! Parang maganda mag-picture dito. Stone Age ang peg, ganon. And this is our room. Nasa second floor kami. I'm not so sure kung ilang floors to. Pero maliit lang din siya. Same dun sa Hanoi. But I think mas bet ko yung vibe dito sa Sapa. So, yeah. I'll tour you na. Actually, one key card lang din ulit. And just to share with you, hindi siya beep card. Talagang disusi siya. Glummates, yan. Traditional key talaga. So, ito yung key card. One lang. So, save energy tayo. And then, mga idiot word about the AC. No, ito you have to turn on, no? AC and heater. So, water heater. Nandyan din yung mga idiot board nila. Okay. And then, pagpasok nyo, yun yung lagay ng shoes and ito yung built-in cabinet where you can put your luggages. Ayun na yung maleta ko. They have hanger. If you need to hang your clothes para hindi lalong magusot. And then, here, this is the bathroom. Okay naman, medyo malaki. Actually, mas malaki to as compared dun sa Hanoi. And look, yung shower, very nice. Oh, gusto ko kasi yung ganito. Like yung mataas yung, I'm not so sure kung anong tawag dito, sa glass. So there. Yan, and towels. They have courtesy, vanity kit, shower cup, toothpaste, and so on and so forth. Yan. Sink. And then they have mini fridge here. And for sure, I'm not so sure if that is a courtesy water. I guess not. Kasi may nakalagay na price, guys. So, yan. Tignan nyo na lang kung magkano ang presyo. Yan. Ito po, binibenta. Magkano po yung cup? That's, Jom's cup. And then,
sorry naman, friend, kasi dapat dito siya lagi ba?
Hi, Jom! Say hi to my vlog. Hi. So, nakita niyo na yan siya, at saka si Archie. If you're able to watch my video about the F1 Hotel and BGC. Yon. Ayan. So, nakabuka ka pa siya dyan. Apat kami here. Yeah. Apat kami here. Si Ange, as usual, kasama ko pa din siya. And how much yung binayaran natin dito per day? I think 550 each. So, in total, kada isang per day is, bobo sa math.
Para lang siyang
2,200. Yeah, kasi 550 kami each eh. So, there. Yan yung room. Malaki yung room, actually. So, this one is, deluxe twin bed, probably yung peg ng, or ng room nila. And then, ito, very, local, festive effect, ganyan. And look, pati yung ceiling, oh, diba? May pabanig dito.
I-on pa natin lahat.
I-on natin lahat. And then, TV, of course, and yan lang. Meron silang courtesy water, courtesy coffee. Tignan natin kung masarap yung kape dito. Kasi sa Hanoi, nagustuhan namin. And apart from the aircon, meron ding fan. And of course, blower. Kailangan natin yan. Kettle. Ang sinabi ko sa video ko last time, water heater. Kettle. And they have emergency kit. Kinuha ko lang yan kasi pinagpatungan ko kanina. Mirror there. And then, lalayo ko onti para makita niyo yung view. Meron siyang balcony. Ang arte. O, diba? Look, hi, Anne. Say hi to my vlog. Oh, I'm pretty niya today. O, diba? Kape-kape lang tayo sa morning here. And look! Zero visibility doon. So, ito yung view namin. Dito sa aming hotel. So, yun pa yung mga iba't ibang hotel na pwede niyong pagpilian. So, that's it. They do have internet connection. And in fairness to the fair, reliable yung mga internet nila dito. So, yan, that's it. So, that's our room. We'll stay here for 4 days and 3 nights. Yeah. I'll see you later, guys. We're going down, mates. I'll show you the reception area. And nasa 5th floor yung reception actually. So, taas. Ay, tama, right?
Going up tayo.
Yeah, going up. And then again, yung kanilang elevator. Parang it fits 4 people lang. Sikip-sikip na kami. God! 4 kami. Tumunog siya. Overload. Ayan. So,
Close yun na, close.
dalawa-dalawa muna. So, ganun yung mga elevator nila dito. Maliliit lang talaga. Yeah. Ayun. So, there. Mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo yung lobby or yung reception area nila. Okay.
Hi.
Okay. So, ayan, may fog. As in, literal. Foggy. And then, kung gusto mo magpa-massage, may massage chair sila dyan. And, ayan, pwede ka magpa-picture dyan for a view. And then, part din ng kinuha namin is yung buffet breakfast. So, may breakfast kami tomorrow. 7 to 10 lang yung schedule. Yeah. So, this is the dining area. And, ito yung reception. And, yun, CCTV. There you go. Yan. And pababa na to. Yan. And I'll show you outside. Ang itsura. Ayan, mabilihan ng mga... Nakikita niyo ba yan, guys? As in, super lamig. There. There. So, ito yung hotel namin. There. Home Nam Hotel. Kakain na kami, guys. Look.
Oh my God, I love my corn.
Pasok na kami. Hanap lang kami ng upuan. But first, let's look. Potato soup. Okay, potato soup. Fried rice with egg. Oh, yun. Sticky rice and sa mga vegetarian, yan may egg. Sausage. Kimchi. Bread. Boiled eggs. Cake. Oh. Salad. Ano yun? Corn. Ano yung fish? Ano yan? Anong pronunciation yan? Bologna. Yan. Yan, guys. Noodle. May jacuzzi pala dito sa rooftop.
Ay, oo, may ako.
Uy, magdahan-dahan ka dyan, ha?
Hindi, mainit. Kulay green na yung tubig.